So let's take a look at the contents of the box. In the first compartment, you have a SIM ejector tool. In the same compartment, you have your documentation, which includes a quick start guide, safety information, and a warranty card. You also have a transparent TPU case, always nice that they include this. Looking further in the box, you have the Redmi Note 10 5G. We'll set this aside for now. We have a USB-A to USB Type-C charging and data transfer cable. And finally, we have a fast charging brick that charges up to 22 watts. Build quality, the Redmi Note 10 5G sports a glass front and a plastic back, and also has a plastic frame. That glass front is made from Gorilla Glass 3. Turning to the back, we have a matte finish on this one, and the color I have here is graphite gray. For specifications, the Redmi Note 10 5G sports a 6.5-inch IPS LCD display. It's a 90Hz display and it's got a typical brightness of 400 nits but a maximum brightness of 500 nits. This is a full HD display and has a 20:9 aspect ratio with a 405 ppi. It's an 83.7 screen to body ratio, meaning you have a lot of screen real estate on this one. You've got Android 11 running things on this phone with MIUI 12 skin over Android. For the processor, we've got the MediaTek Dimensity 700 5G processor, which is an octa-core 7nm processor, and you've got a Mali G57 GPU on this one. For the memory options, you have several variants: 64 plus 4 GB of RAM, 128 plus 4 GB of RAM, and 128 plus 6 GB of RAM. For the cameras, we've got a triple camera setup at the rear of this device, a 48 megapixel main wide angle, a 2 megapixel macro, and a 2 megapixel depth sensing camera. The rear camera will shoot video at 1080p at 30 frames per second. As for the selfie camera, it's an 8 megapixel f2.0 wide angle camera and will also shoot video at 1080p at 30 frames per second. For the physical features, volume rockers and power button, which also doubles as a fingerprint scanner on the right. On the top, you have a microphone, an IR blaster, and you've also got a 3.5mm headphone jack. At the bottom, you've got your speaker grills, a USB Type-C port, and a microphone. And at the left of the device, you've got your SIM tray, which is a hybrid SIM for a SIM and a microSD card or 2 nano SIMs. For the display on the Redmi Note 10 5G, it's a 6.5-inch Full HD plus 90Hz display. It's a fluid display and it makes the animations on this phone really nice to behold. As you can see on your screen, everything flows smoothly, and thanks to MIUI 12's animations, it makes this phone even more joy to use. Considering the fact that this is an entry-level to mid-range smartphone, viewing angles are great and the color reproductions are also stellar. You would have absolutely no issues with the display on the Redmi Note 10 5G. In terms of performance, the Redmi Note 10 5G sports a MediaTek Dimensity 700 chip. This chip includes a 5G modem, and this modem can deliver downlink speeds up to 2.77 gigabits per second. Although it will be a few years before we actually have such speeds, it's a good thing to have and future-proofing for this phone. So in terms of the overall usage performance on this phone, I was able to go through the system UI smoothly without any issue. Apps opened up quickly and I was able to multitask also without having any stutter or frame drops. Here are shots from the Redmi Note 10 5G cameras. I'll let the images speak for themselves. By the way, these are images of my daughter. So thanks for watching this unboxing of the Redmi Note 10 5G. I think it's an excellent smartphone when you consider the build quality to the price point. And for the fact that this is the cheapest 5G smartphone right now in Nigeria, I think you're getting a really good deal. So to enter for the giveaway of the Redmi Note 10 5G, all you have to do is 1. Subscribe to my channel, 2. Turn on notification, 3. Follow me on social media, and 4. Leave a comment down below under this video how many times I mentioned Redmi Note 10 5G in this video. And that's it. You stand a chance to win the Redmi Note 10 5G. Fastest fingers first. If you're not yet subscribed to the channel, do hit that subscribe button, and if you have any questions, don't forget to leave them in the comment section. Thank you and see you next time.